Everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to tell you that how can you protect your Excel sheet or LibreOffice sheet or OpenOffice sheet, whatever you are using. So you can just simply protect your sheet by adding a password in it. For this you have to just open your spreadsheet, then go tools, and here you will get an option called protect sheets. You have to simply click on this option, then a dialog box will appear. Then you have to enter password and then confirm that password. For example, I'm just adding a dummy password over here and I'm just confirming it. Then you have to simply click on OK. By clicking on OK, your sheet will be protected by this password. Now next time whenever you are going to open your sheet, a password will be required. Firstly you have to enter that password, then you will be able to open your sheet. Okay, so this is that's all in this video. I hope you will be clear with this step. If you have any doubt or any query, you can just simply drop a comment, and I hope I'll be able to clear your doubt there. That's it. Bye guys.